Okay, Chip.
It's Kit.
Yeah, I need you to feel it. It's cold, it's gray, you're covered in pelts. Oh, and you're auditioning with some big Hollywood star.
Oh, really? Who?
And action!
Hold, brothers. The beast can smell your fear. Dragon, show yourself. Sorry, I didn't see that in the script. Was he supposed to knock me over? Mate, it's your bit. All you need to do is leap on this mark when I say, ah! No, get back. I was just explaining the cue. The cue is, ah! No. Oh, okay. Be honest, Toothless. Do I come across as too broody? Because half the time I'm just trying to remember where I left my keys. Brothers, not all of us will see daybreak, but... Dragon, show yourself. Toothless, no, put it down, put it down. Catering's top notch, mate. I got you the salmon. I'm a little confused about my part, really. I mean, first I'm dead, then I'm not. No one knows who my mother is. Brothers, we have fought strong. We have fought hard. And we must continue to fight until our foes are defeated. Toothless, would you mind if I,
Can we get him cleaned up, please?
He's challenging the Alpha to protect you.
No! Fight back! Fight! What's the matter with you?
Now do you get it? This is what it is to earn a dragon's loyalty. Let this end now.
Never!
He's challenging.
Thicker than water, blood runs thicker than water, but both feel the same when your eyes are closed. I am the river's daughter, I am the river's daughter, I am the river's daughter, and you'll be
Wonder
the
if
summer
Toothless ever
both
misses me.
proposed.
for the rest of my life.
I can see you staring there from across the block with a smile on your mouth and your hand on your heart. Since it's gone, let's not feel the karma. Let's not start a fight.
I would want to be my dad in 1985. Scott Burnham, 1985.